Tony Forbes, the father of slain rapper Kenan aka Forbes, stated that he feels a sense of relief and closure following the arrival of two key suspects in his son's murder case. The brothers Siyabonga and Malusi Ndimande were extradited from the Kingdom of Eswatini on Tuesday after months of legal delays and opposition to their return. The pair, who were arrested in Mbabane in February, were handed over to South African authorities in a high-security operation led by Interpol South Africa with the support of SAP's tactical teams. The extradition marks a significant breakthrough in the long-running investigation into the killings of AKA and his close friend Debelo Tips Motsoane, who were gunned down outside Wish Restaurant on Florida Road, Durban in February 2023. Speaking to NCA, Forbes said he was grateful to see progress in this case after nearly 3 years of waiting, and said excitement is probably not the right word, but I'm pleased that they have arrived on this day. It's been a long time coming, but I feel satisfied now that when the trial starts, all 7 will be on trial, especially Ndimande brother that pulled the trigger. Forbes commended the investigation team and the National Prosecuting Authority for their consistent communication and transparency throughout the process, and said they kept me abreast over the last 2.5 years. When they called to say they had arrested the two brothers in Eswatini, my expectations were managed. The authorities have always been clear about the complexity of the extradition process, and today it's finally happening. The Ndimande brothers are expected to appear in a South African court soon, facing multiple charges, including the murders of AKA and Tips. Police have also confirmed that the duo are linked to 2 additional murder cases connected to the taxi industry in KwaZulu-Natal. Their arrival brings to 7 the total number of men arrested in connection with the double murder, a case that has gripped the nation and left a lasting mark on South Africa's entertainment landscape. Tony stated that it's taken a long time, but today I can say justice is finally moving forward. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.